Hey guys, today I'm going to let you in on a little secret of mine and show you what my hair really looks like in the process of transforming it. This is how tangled and insanely crazy my hair is every time it gets wet. This is my hair after we've shampooed it, and the best way I can describe it is like a bird's nest with a bunch of spider webs in it. In this video, we're going to show you how you can use Redken's acidic bonding concentrate line to transform your hair. This is honestly one of the best products I've used, and you're going to see why. In this video, we are going to be comparing the Salon exclusive professional strength line versus the home treatment. You will learn what these products are, what they do, are they right for you, and how to use them. You will also see the difference in my hair between the professional strength versus the home treatment. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. This is my hair before we've shampooed it and prior to treatment. This is my hair after the treatments. Redken's acidic bonding concentrate is their most powerful hair care. This is an all-in-one system for moisturizing and repairing all types of damaged hair, and it can be used on all hair types and textures. This line will help to strengthen and restore your hair bonds, balance your hair pH, and provide intense conditioning as well as color fade protection. First, we started off by shampooing my hair with their sulfate-free shampoo, which contains a concentrated bonding care complex and citric acid that helps to reinforce the weakened bonds and gives your hair strength and repair. The shampoo is pH balancing and is formulated with an acidic pH to defend against the negative effects of styling tools, hair coloring, and even water. After shampooing my hair and without brushing it out, we applied just the conditioner on the left side of my hair where we are doing the home treatment, which is shampoo and conditioner, followed by the leave-in treatment. The conditioner is also sulfate-free and contains the concentrated bonding care complex featuring citric acid to improve your hair strength. It also has an acidic pH and is rich in texture to provide intense conditioning. Now, I have low porosity hair, so it is very challenging to moisturize, as you can see here. So keep that in mind when you're seeing how the products affect my hair. We filmed this to show you how difficult it is to brush my hair out despite having an amazing quality conditioner on it. You brush the hair out from the bottom, but then once you attempt to detangle the top, it gets tangled all over again. Next, we're moving on to the right side of my hair where we apply the professional strength treatment. The Salon treatment line consists of 3 products: the acidic protein amino concentrate, the acidic moisture concentrate, and the acidic pH sealer. These products visibly reduce surface damage in a single treatment. A major benefit to them is that they are completely customizable based on the hair's need. The protein is for damage and the moisture is for dry hair. You can use the concentrates as a standalone or as a mixture. For damage, it is recommended to use the protein concentrate and the pH sealer. For dryness, you would use the moisture concentrate and the pH sealer. And for hair that is dry and damaged, you would use all 3. You can use up to 15 ml of each of the concentrates depending on the hair length. The total formula should not exceed 30 ml. Here's a great guide which you can refer to that shows you the mixture ratios to use depending on the symptoms of the hair, the causes of the damage, the needs of the hair, the type of damage, and the porosity level. So for my hair, we use 2 parts moisture and 1 part protein because it has low porosity to hydrate and strengthen my hair. 1 dose of the protein amino concentrate is 5 ml, and since I have long hair, we use 15 ml, which is 3 doses. 2 pumps of the moisture concentrate is equivalent to 5 ml, so for my hair, we use a total of 6 pumps, which is 15 ml. Once you determine the formula required, you would then mix them together and apply to the hair by starting at the ends and continuing up mid-length and to the base. The treatment is left on for 5 minutes, and without rinsing, apply 10 to 15 pumps of the pH sealer from roots to ends and leave it on for an additional 1 minute. Then you simply rinse the hair and you're ready to style as desired. You also have an option to apply the 3rd step of the home treatment, which is the acidic perfecting concentrate. This is a leave-in to be applied prior to styling. It provides heat protection up to 450 degrees, helps to tame frizz, adds shine, and reduces hair breakage. Now take a look at my hair when it's wet before and after the treatment. Notice how the quality of my hair definitely improved and how much easier it was to pull the strands of my hair apart. Notice how much slip the products gave my hair. After the treatment, my hair became so much more smoother and easier to brush out. In comparison to my hair before the treatment, the brush passed through my hair with significantly less resistance. Given that my hair is so difficult to manage, this already says a lot about how truly effective these products are. Based on testing, if you use the products as a system, meaning their shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in versus a non-conditioning shampoo, they found people had 82% less visible split ends and 11 times smoother hair. If you use just the shampoo and conditioner versus a non-conditioning shampoo, tests showed 56% less breakage. Now, you can see that both sides look good, which goes to show you that the home treatment is high quality, effective, and a good investment for your hair. It's also super easy to use because it doesn't require you to use any additional products besides the usual shampoo, conditioner, and if you desire, the leave-in. So if you're someone with a busy lifestyle and want to maintain the health of your hair, then this all-in-one hair solution is for you. As far as the Salon treatment, if you pay close attention, you can tell that my hair did get a deeper repair and hydration effect by looking at the tips of my hair. The Salon side was smoother and my hair felt healthier overall, although it was hard to capture this on video. If your hair is excessively frizzy, brittle and weak, unmanageable, dry, and has a lot of split ends, then this Salon treatment is worth a try and a good idea to provide your hair with maximum nourishment. As always, we appreciate you guys for watching, and please let us know in the comments your thoughts and experiences with these products.